Hi friends, this is Joe. A very happy day to all. Let's make our day happy by doing the little things we like. Now, I'm going to show you how to make a dahlia flower with crepe paper. Here I have selected two shades of yellow colored crepe paper. One darker shade and the other lighter one. I have cut 6 pieces of dark yellow crepe paper to the size 16 x 16 cm. Then I have cut out 3 pieces of light yellow colored paper 16 x 14.5 cm. When we cut these crepe papers, see that the stripes in it faces upwards. Now take the 6 pieces of dark yellow colored paper together and I am folding it into half. Now cut out on the open end a knot on the folded side as I am going to show you. Cut it to the length more than half of it. These are going to be the petals of the flower. Similarly, we are going to do with the lighter color shade paper. Now I am placing the lighter shade paper on top of the darker shade paper. We have to fold like an accordion shape, like how we make a fan. Then take a thin string and tie it to the center. See that the string is correctly in the center. Then stretch to combine the two ends. Now slowly pull out the first center layer of the petal on both the sides. Gather the petals together and twist the ends as I am showing you. Then relax the petals to give a natural look. Similarly, do with the other 8 layers and squeeze the tips. Dahlias are of different kinds and this is one of it. They come in bright colors and even of different shades. Here, you can also keep a darker color paper in the center and a lighter one beneath it, or you can use a same color paper throughout. Each flower will be unique. Now I am attaching a longer firm floral string for the stalk. As Dahlia stalk a little thick, I have cut out some tissue paper to wind over it. Now for the sepals, take green colored crepe paper of 8 into 8 cm. And cut it to its shape like this. Stick it using a glue. Even stick the ends of the petals too. Now using a green colored floral tape, I am winding it on the stalk. Beautiful dancing dahlias are ready. Do you like it? Please try it out and put them in your flower vase and be proud of your creation. Enjoy! Happy flower making!